What's up guys? You're watching the Volcano Academy. आज हम देखने वाले हैं यूजफुल जावास्क्रिप्ट ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स जो कि आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड द स्पीड ऑफ योर कोडिंग विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड बाय यूजिंग दीज ट्रिक्स. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सो आज की हमारी फर्स्ट ट्रिक है टू गेट ट्रिम्ड एरे ऑफ डिजायर्ड length. Suppose you have an array like we have here of length 10 approximately. Yeah, it's 10. So आपको ऐसा array चाहिए using the existing array. You have like 6 6 4 7 7. You want an array with like 6 6 4 7 7. So it is like 5 position from this end. 5 position from this end. So हम इसमें बिल्ट इन मेथड array डॉट स्लाइस का यूज कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ टू यूज array डॉट sorry guys. So how to use array dot slice here? So this method, as most of you know, it will operate on the existing array like array1 dot slice, and in here हमें पैरामीटर या आर्गुमेंट पास करना है. वो क्या होगा? सो पोजीशन जहां से आपको ये एरे ट्रिम करना है. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस एंड, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल प्रोवाइड नेगेटिव पोजीशन. सो -5 लाइक फ्रॉम हियर. एंड यहाँ पे पॉइंट आपको नोट करना है कि यहाँ पे जो एरे हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं वो एक नया एरे है. सो वी आर नॉट एग्जैक्टली ट्रिमिंग दिस ओरिजिनल एरे. So we are creating a new array by trimming the original array. So इसको हम स्टोर करते हैं. अभी देखते हैं. And boom, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं 6 6 4 7 7. So it just trimmed it and created. So अगर हम array1 को प्रिंट करते हैं तो क्या आता है? So it will still show the original array. अगर आपको what if we provide positive here? Any guesses? So अगर हम यहाँ पे positive प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो यहाँ से this much position elements it will exclude. In short, अगर हम यहाँ पे positive 5 दे रहे हैं, so it will exclude 5 elements from the starting point because positive end. So print it. So here you can see it excluded these 5 elements. What if I create 3? So it will exclude these 3 and will create an array. Okay, so let's go to the second trick. हमारी सेकेंड ट्रिक है ट्रंकेट द एरे. ट्रंकेट मीन्स सपोज एट एनी पॉइंट आपको चाहिए कि मेरा एरे बहुत ही बड़ा है एंड आई वांट लाइक ओनली अप टू 6 लेंथ. आई वांट द एरे. सो वी हैव अ ट्रिक ट्रंकेट एरे. You can always do it by splicing and spread operator and all, but this is very cool and it will and इसमें एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है कि ये ओरिजिनल एरे को ट्रंकेट करेगा. सो R1 को हमको ऑपरेट करना है. R1 तो लेंथ, जस्ट आपको कितनी लेंथ तक एरे चाहिए? आई वांट 6. सो कंसोल. सो हम अब देखते हैं R1 क्या है. So R1 is of length 6 now. So we truncated the original array, that is R1. Clear? So we'll go to the next trick. Quick conversion. Flow to integer. We always have methods like math.round, math.ceil, math.floor, but in ये जो methods है वो अलग अलग तरीके से ऑपरेट करते हैं. Like if you have 23.6, then it will be, if you do math.round, it will do 24. If math.ceil, it will give 24. If you operate math.floor, it will go 23. But here is a method to just remove the numbers after the decimal. So what it is, we'll see. So there is a special operator for this. So I'll call it float1 is 45 point. This is the float. So you don't want any math.ceil, you don't want to use math.ceil because it is confusing sometimes, and आपको वो मेथड याद रखनी पड़ेगी based on what is the number. Suppose यहाँ पे 6 होता तो वो 46 हो जाता. So we just need to make use of one operator. So let me comment this console statement, or let it be. So just यहाँ पे आपको यूज करना है float1 and 0, just 45. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे अगर निगेटिव होगा सो -45, दैट्स इट. अगर यहाँ पे 7 भी होगा तो भी ये 46 नहीं होगा, it will still be 45. Isn't it cool? Okay, let's go to the next trick. So the next trick we have is the quick calculation of powers. So it's a new feature in JavaScript introduced in ES6. Suppose you can always do it by maths.pow, but this is a conventional way, but ये newer way है and very efficient way है, and your code will look very elegant in this way. So suppose you have num1 is equal to 6 and you want to calculate 8 power of 6. So you can just ओके. सो ये थोड़ा लेंदी हो गया, बट सो यहाँ पे हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. Oh sorry, it's num1. 8 power of 6 is this. जस्ट यहाँ पे मैंने यूज किया एक ऑपरेटर का स्टार स्टार. सपोज यू वांट टू नो 9th पावर ऑफ 4. सो आपको क्या करना है, 4 raised to 9. So you can just read it as 4 raised to 9. It is 26114. Is that clear? So just आपको स्टार स्टार करना है. It is just like 4 raised to n or 4 raised to 9. Let's go to the next trick. To convert, so इसको कर लेते हैं conversion to number. Suppose sometimes you have numbers in string format. Let num2 is equal to 45 correct. So this is, so अगर आप इसका टाइप प्रिंट करते हैं टाइप ऑफ num2, what it should be, it is string, correct. So आपको ये नंबर कन्वर्ट करना है, so you can always do it by conventional methods like number constructor, or you can make use of number constructor, but this is very funny and very useful way, and it is very easy to do it. So I can just, and that's it. You can see the, and in console the strings are represented in black color and numbers in blue color, so you can say this is number. So if I do here, and let's check for type, so it should be number. So you converted a string number from a string, you converted a number from string. You can just like parsing 10 number constructor. So conversion to string, what if you want reverse of this conversion to string? So suppose you have a number or anything, so if you want to convert it to string, then there is also a funny way of doing it. Num3 is at 46. Let me print the type of it. Type of num3 should be number, obviously. Yep. But what if I want to do to convert this number into string? Just, and it is string now. It is string, so it just converted into string. So if I, so it should be printed in black. Yep, because it is string. What if next, it's conversion to boolean. Conversion to boolean. Okay, so what we'll do, so there is a special operator again for this. So let bool1 is equal to 25, and so log bool1, it is number, correct. But what if I put this operator here? So it's a boolean, and value will be true because it's a non-falsy value. Only if it was 0, then it will be false, correct. Or if it is a empty string, then it's a false. If there is a space, there is not empty string, and it will be true. So by this operator you can convert it to boolean. So let's go to this next tree. So for getting unique elements array, suppose you have an array, let y is equal to here are multiple elements which are repeated, like 3, 4 are repeated, but you want 3 only once, 4 only once, like you want only element unique elements array. So we can, there is a method to create a unique element array. So I'll call it add unique. We'll make use of spread operator. I'll make a separate video on spread and the set feature of JavaScript. So we'll create a new set here. In that, what will pass? The existing array. And boom, let's console log unique array. add unique. Yep, 1 2 3 4 5 9. 1 2 3 4 5. So you got one unique array out of the existing array. So बहुत टाइम हो गया. सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, इसकी टिप्स और ट्रिक्स पसंद आई है, सो ज़रूर इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल द वोल्केनो एकेडमी को. एंड इफ यू वांट videos on any topics, so आप आपकी सजेशंस कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हैं. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू.